Hello guys, today we will do the 3 chair push-ups. We will do 3 sets to failure. But first, let's do the setup. In the setup you'll need 2 sturdy chairs and 1 stool. You'll need to adjust them according to your body's length. Adjust until you can keep your spine straight. The position of the stool is very important to execute the exercise properly. Now, with a flat spine, put your head down and extend your elbows, but do not let it snap. Perfect. So this is how you do a 3 chair push-ups. The best part of this exercise is that it allows you to do an additional range of motion. It makes you feel more stretch in the pectoral muscles of the chest, so better contraction and a better workout. Next up, we do the decline chair push-ups. We do this 3 sets to failure. In this exercise, all you need is 1 chair. This exercise is great for building your pectoral muscles, shoulders, and your triceps. Include this workout regularly in your morning routine, and you'll see you have a beautiful upper body. So that's it from Biswa the Lazy Guy channel for the day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, stay tuned, be lazy, be awesome. Goodbye.